There's this little plant just on the side of the road here. With these little cucumber melon-like fruits. I've just discovered that when you touch these fruits, they shoot off their stem, propelled by the pressure inside. It's a beautiful, cool September day, September 18th, I think it is. Very nice. Good day to be distilling Raki rrush. They are distilling Raki today with the setup. Here we have the mash from the plums. Or no, it's grapes actually. It's called the Raki rrush. Rrush is grape in Albanian. So they are almost done with the first barrel. There's the still. They have it on a burner. They're using tape to cover the head, where the head sits on top of the beer keg. And then the arm comes off, goes over here, down into the cooling barrel, which they fill with a hose with cold water. The vapor goes in here, goes down, condenses in the cold water, and then comes out this tube here where they will put a vessel when they start the next batch.
E mirë se nuk i ku shumë, se vremë ndje. Nuk i ku, ata një ngronje.
Ngronje.
Kaçe do hedhë poshtë.
E parda.
Is that the
E but?
Po ç'është butke, kjo është të bjena. Kjo është, okay. Cili bash.
You have to try it.
Shumë e fortë kjo. Kjo do përzihet, kjo do hedhet e.
That's the strong part. Yeah.
Del kjo.
Bushe vetë.
Gëzuar. How do you say good health?
Shëndet.
Shëndet. Shqiptare.
Good. This is the highest point of alcohol now, yeah?
Yeah.
You know
It's
this.
very strong. I can feel it. How much? 20, 30 degrees?
23 degrees is the strongest.
To 23.
So it's like, I don't know, 50, 60, 70%. I don't know.
Yeah,
measurement.
strong.
You know when it's strong? Film here, yeah? And you will see. Is it still filming?
Mhm.
Come here, no, here. The bubbles.
The bubbles.
Bubbles indicate the strongest of alcohol. It's like we call it ruaza in Albania.
Ruaza.
You know when the women have this with pearls,
Oh yeah.
round ones?
Mm-hmm.
It's called ruaza in Albania.
Okay,
This
pearls.
is like a pearls of Raki.
Uh-huh.
Stick together. Longer they stay like this, stronger is the Raki.
Pijara kia ajo. Unë tha pse ki si të vëmë gjitha, jo, s'ka gjë tha ki. S'ka gjë ujës, është atje, i thash unë që thash, mos ishte këtu. Tani,
Get it hotter, yeah?
Where's the exit tube? No exit tube?
No, it's too yet. Yeah.
Later? Or no?
Well, we put the water there, so.
Mm-hmm.
mos ka zajnë të këtu, të gjitha aty vështi. Më tha Flori.
She's saying, yeah, the next distiller or kazan, we call it kazan. We empty. You're gonna do everything. You
Okay.
feel me?
I can do it.
So you pour it, close the things, and so you have it in the
Si
video.
aty që
Okay.
ata shkojnë tani këtu, do të thonë se ti ka gjetur ku e ka patë.
It's getting fuller. And the pearls that Albin told me about, the little bubbles that stick together, they're now not sticking together, which means you can visually tell that the strength is decreasing. Grad. Yes. When it was down here, Shumfort. Oui. How do you say no? Fatot no negre negron? Grot. Grot. Aye, yeah. Hot.
This is 50%.
50% there.
50% is 20 degree now. 20 degree.
20.
You can use that grad.
50%.
Use a 20 grad in Albanian.
Mm-hmm.
Or degree of grad, whatever you use.
Yeah.
You can use that. E shumë këtu mi, këtu ranë, shumë use që.
Ku e shikon ti?
E shikoj, mja po që.
Jo te këtu.
Këto dhe njerë, ja.
Është ku e ti? Ja, stop, stop. Le.
Lidhe bive të lirë këtu. Ku të poshtë lidhe?
Ne ma si capa con te? Ajo është në gratë.
E ke në 9 gradë.
He?
Në 9.
E të një kjeta e?
Pasë.
Ashtu taj?
Po.
Careful.
Ne so dhe shata anki. E të një të ty?
The last of it.
If you don't put water, it burns.
E të një të ty?
Këtë vetë s'ka një. Qa? Jo, mire, shumë kire. You can smell the wine, yeah? Experta Raki.
Që herë di po ti strutoja ti gra?
I bën në tonë.
Po s'don ti.
Ai bën dy tonë Raki.
I bën po... Ti di buk?
I bën atë me shakori.
Ne na bje këne kikatojnë në gjithë pyrkës.
Finish. The cap.
Edhe ma që gjicin.
Zânata ca să când dai de mai fiu, să uilam tu. E tratare no băi monestra pasarea.
Ai făcut ce nu ies năsă.
Păi tu ce unde tac 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 tac. Nu vor mânghez în ea așa. A što je filor, sad bi se pare filor me bones pasarea. Pa nu che buono scegliere gas.
The weather has cooled off and people are out having dinner and walking about the city. I stopped in at a little restaurant for some soup and some salad.